Okay, Quantum is the brand of pressure regulator. Here's the old regulator. The new one looks very similar. Here's the old pump and strainer setup. The new pump looked exactly the same, but didn't have this strainer setup on it. The strainer, very similar, but didn't have this piece here that put it at the angle that it needs to be at. The old pump was a Walbro. New pump was also a Walbro. Alright, so that's it. Runs great now. Can't wait to get it on the trail. Probably not till next year now, as all the snow is melting.